So FIJI Day, celebrated every 10th of October, marks the country's breakaway from Great Britain back in 1970. This year on FIJI Day, I fondly reminisce about last year when I was in Kyoto celebrating with my Fijian friends by preparing a traditional Fijian earth oven called LOVO. But since I've moved to a new city this year, I don't have the privilege of joining my Fijian friends for another customary LOVO. But we don't always need the validation of others to do something. So guess what? I'm making some chicken curry and puri, and I'll enjoy a quiet dinner with some singing. Me wait for you come by, autumn sun. Join me in this video to find out why Fiji holds a special place in my heart despite not being a Fijian myself. So I might not be Fijian by blood, but my immersive 7-year stint in Fiji gifted me a profound admiration for its rich tapestry of culture. And for today's grub, I've got plans for whipping up a scrumptious chicken treat to be devoured alongside some homemade puri. In my usual babbling fashion, I thought I'd take on the challenge of cooking and filming at the same time. Quite a daring endeavor, I must say. But oh dear, I went tad overboard with the salt, creating a flavor explosion that wasn't quite what I had in mind.
No! God, please, no!
Yet, in the true spirit of problem solving, I uncovered a nifty solution. After a whole hour of culinary chaos and a messy kitchen to match, I am chuffed to report that I victoriously wrapped up the task. Nice.
I think this is not something that you eat in Fiji. Yeah, I love curry so much. I have my own version of cooking it. And today I'm also making puri. Here's my curry, and then this is my puri. Well, invite me to come and cook for you.
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
So the curry that they have in Fiji is totally different from what I'm having today, but I just want to cook something that I would eat to remember the many wonderful years that I've spent in Fiji. Evening time, sun go down, Selevel me stop long vibraries, Sorry and me look on sky, peaceful down long rise from me. Go down long I'm bottom sound. What a night. I left Fiji in 2014 and I haven't gone back to the country ever since. If you go to Fiji, I think the first thing that you will notice about the country is the friendliness of the people. Everyone is so hospitable, they're so kind. That is one of the memories that have lived with me over these years.
Some of the most genuine smiles on earth can be found in the Fiji Islands.
And in terms of education, I would say that I learned to speak English well when I was in Fiji. I'm a Solomon Islander, and English is also like the official language of the country. But in the Solomons, we don't speak English on a daily basis. We learn it in school, but when we leave the classroom, we use the Solomon Pidgins. Damn! It was not until I went to Fiji that I started using English on a daily basis. I'm so thankful for my time in Fiji because it has really helped me improve my English immensely. As the roses will miss the sun at dawning. If you are Fijian and you are watching this episode, I would like to say Happy Fiji Day to you.
And if you haven't been to Fiji, I would highly recommend visiting this beautiful country. With more than 300 islands, this nation is home to some of the most beautiful tropical islands. Experience the beautiful culture in the environment.
If you want to watch more videos from me, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button.